Welcome everyone to Learn English with Leila channel. Hello everyone. How are you today? In today's video, we are going to listen to a simple and relaxing story at a coffee shop. In this story, two friends decide to take a short break and visit a cafe together. They talk about coffee, desserts, and enjoying a nice moment during the day. Don't worry if your English is still beginner. The conversation is slow and easy to understand. Before we start, I have a small question for you. What dessert do they order at the cafe? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. All right, are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Wow, I'm really tired today.
You do look tired.
I worked all morning.
Same here. It's been a long day.
I think I need a break.
That's a good idea.
What do you usually do when you feel tired?
I usually drink coffee.
Coffee sounds perfect right now.
Do you know a good cafe around here?
Yes, there's one just down the street.
Really? I didn't know that.
It opened recently.
That's great. Let's go there.
Good idea. I could really use a cup of coffee.
Me too. Let's go.
Oh, wow. Look at this place.
It looks really nice.
I like the big windows.
And the lights are beautiful.
Look at that coffee machine behind the counter.
Yes, and I can see cakes over there.
Those cakes look delicious.
I also see sandwiches and pastries.
This cafe has many choices.
Do you usually eat something with coffee?
Sometimes.
The smell in here is amazing.
Yes, it smells like fresh coffee.
Let's find a table.
How about that table near the window?
Perfect. I like sitting by the window.
Great. Let's sit there. This table is nice.
Yes, and the view from the window is great.
I like watching people outside.
Me too. It makes the cafe feel lively.
Look, there's a menu on the table.
Perfect. Let's see what they have.
Wow, there are many drinks.
Yes, I see coffee, cappuccino, latte, tea, and hot chocolate.
That's a lot of choices.
What do you usually drink at a cafe?
I usually drink black coffee.
Really? Just black coffee?
Yes, I like the strong taste.
I prefer something with milk.
Like a latte?
Yes, or a cappuccino.
What is the difference between them?
A latte has more milk.
And a cappuccino?
A cappuccino has more foam on top.
Interesting.
What do you think you should order today?
Maybe a hot coffee.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I think I'll order a cappuccino.
Good choice.
Wait, look at this.
What did you find?
There's another menu.
Oh, that must be the dessert menu.
Wow, look at these desserts.
I see cheesecake, brownies, and chocolate cake.
Everything looks delicious.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe.
Which dessert looks best to you?
The chocolate cake looks amazing.
I was thinking the same thing.
Do you want to share one?
That's a good idea.
Or maybe we can order different desserts.
That works too.
I might get a croissant.
That sounds great with coffee.
Do you like croissants?
Yes, especially when they're warm.
Then we should definitely order one.
Good plan.
So, what is your final choice?
Black coffee and maybe some dessert.
And I'll get a cappuccino and a croissant.
Perfect.
All right, let's go order at the counter.
Yes, let's go.
Hello.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you?
I would like to order, please.
Of course.
First, 1 cappuccino.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
1 medium cappuccino.
Yes, please.
Would you like sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
All right.
And I would also like 1 black coffee.
1 black coffee.
Yes,
Small, medium, or large?
medium is fine.
Okay, 1 medium black coffee.
Thank you.
Would you like milk with the coffee?
No, thank you. Just black.
No milk. Got it.
And I would like 1 slice of chocolate cake.
The chocolate cake is very popular.
That sounds good.
Would you like anything else?
Let me think for a moment.
Sure, take your time.
Do you have croissants?
Yes, we do.
Are they fresh?
Yes, we baked them this morning.
That sounds great.
Would you like one?
No, the cake is enough.
All right.
So, 1 cappuccino, 1 black coffee, and 1 slice of chocolate cake.
Correct.
That's all for now.
Will you be eating here or taking it to go?
We will eat here.
Perfect.
We are sitting at the table by the window.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
That was easy.
Yes, ordering was simple.
Now we just have to wait.
I can already smell the coffee.
Me too. It smells amazing.
I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Look at the barista making drinks.
Yes, he looks very busy.
There are many customers today.
This cafe must be popular.
I think so.
Do you come to cafes often?
Sometimes, usually on weekends.
I like cafes because they are relaxing.
Yes, they are perfect for taking a break.
Look at that table over there.
The people with the big cake?
Yes, that cake looks huge.
It looks delicious too.
Maybe we should order cake more often.
I think we already ordered enough food.
That's true.
Are you excited about the cappuccino?
Yes, I really like cappuccino.
What do you like about it?
I like the milk and the foam on top.
Foam makes it look fancy.
Exactly.
And I like simple black coffee.
Black coffee is very strong.
Yes, but it gives me energy.
That's what you need today.
Definitely.
Look, I think they are preparing our drinks.
I see the cappuccino cup.
And I see a plate.
That must be the cake.
I'm getting hungry again.
You were already hungry.
That's true.
Oh, look, they are bringing our order.
Perfect timing.
Finally, coffee time.
I've been waiting for this. Oh, look, here comes our order.
Finally.
I was really waiting for this coffee.
Me too.
Everything looks great.
The cappuccino looks beautiful.
And the foam on top looks perfect.
Yes, it looks very creamy.
Let me smell my coffee first.
Does it smell good?
It smells amazing.
Be careful, it might be hot.
Good idea. I'll wait a second.
I'm going to try my cappuccino.
How is it?
Wow, it's really smooth.
That's good.
It's warm and creamy.
Now I'll try my coffee.
Go ahead.
That's good.
Is it strong?
Yes, just the way I like it.
Strong coffee wakes you up.
Exactly.
Look at the chocolate cake.
It looks delicious.
The chocolate looks very rich.
Let's try it.
Okay, I'll take the first bite.
How is it?
Wow, it's really sweet.
Sweet, but good?
Yes, very good.
Let me try some.
Here you go.
This cake is amazing.
I knew you would like it.
Now let's try the croissant.
It looks very fresh,
The outside is crispy.
and the inside looks soft.
Let me taste it.
Is it good?
Yes, it's warm and buttery.
That sounds perfect with coffee.
This cafe was a great idea.
I agree.
Good coffee, good food, and a nice place.
What more do we need?
Maybe another coffee later.
Let's finish this one first.
Good idea.
That was really good.
Yes, everything was delicious.
My coffee was perfect.
And the cappuccino was amazing.
Do you feel less tired now?
Definitely.
Coffee really helps.
And the cake helped too.
The chocolate cake was excellent.
I'm glad we ordered it.
Me too.
What was your favorite part?
Honestly, the coffee.
You really like strong coffee.
Yes, it gives me energy.
I prefer drinks with milk.
Like cappuccino and latte?
Exactly.
Maybe next time I'll try a cappuccino.
And maybe next time I'll try black coffee.
That would be interesting.
What other drinks did you see on the menu?
I saw espresso and iced coffee.
Espresso is very strong.
Yes, but some people love it.
Maybe we can try different drinks next time.
That sounds fun.
And maybe different desserts too.
I saw muffins and cookies.
The muffins looked really good.
Yes, they did.
I think we should come here again.
I agree.
This cafe is very comfortable.
And the atmosphere is relaxing.
It's a perfect place to take a break.
I feel much better now.
Me too.
But we should probably go back soon.
Yes, we still have work to do.
Unfortunately.
But at least we had a nice break.
And great coffee.
That's the most important thing.
Next time, coffee is my treat.
Deal.
All right, let's go.
Let's come back here again soon.
That was a really nice break.
Yes, I feel much better now.
The coffee helped a lot.
And the fresh air feels good too.
So, what should we do next?
Good question.
Do we go back to the office?
Maybe, but we still have some time.
That's true.
What do you usually do after a coffee break?
Sometimes I take a short walk.
A walk sounds nice.
Walking helps me think,
And it helps digestion too.
especially after cake.
Yes, that chocolate cake was amazing.
I'm glad we ordered it.
Me too.
Do you want to walk around this area?
Sure, I haven't explored this street much.
There are some interesting shops here.
Really?
Yes, there's a bookstore nearby.
Oh, I love bookstores.
And there's also a small park.
A park sounds relaxing.
Maybe we can sit there for a few minutes.
That would be nice.
Or we could just walk and talk.
I like that idea.
Walking after coffee feels great.
Yes, it gives you energy.
Do you usually walk during the day?
Not really.
Me neither.
Most of the time, we just sit and work.
That's true.
Maybe we should walk more often.
I agree.
Small breaks can make a big difference.
Exactly.
All right, let's take a short walk.
Sounds good to me.
Lead the way.
All right, let's go.
This park is nice.
Yes, it's very peaceful.
I like the trees here.
And the grass looks very green.
It feels good to walk after sitting in the cafe.
Yes, the fresh air is refreshing.
Do you come to parks often?
Sometimes, especially on weekends.
What do you usually do here?
I like to sit on a bench and relax.
That sounds nice.
Some people read books here.
I see someone reading over there.
Parks are good places to read.
Or to think.
Or just enjoy nature.
Look at those birds.
Yes, they're flying around the trees.
It's very calm here.
Much calmer than the street.
Do you prefer quiet places like this?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Quiet places help me relax.
And clear your mind.
Exactly.
After coffee and cake, this walk feels perfect.
Yes, it's a great combination.
Coffee, fresh air, and a peaceful park.
Sounds like a perfect break.
Maybe we should come here more often.
I agree.
We could bring coffee from the cafe.
And sit on a bench here.
That would be nice.
I see an empty bench over there.
Should we sit for a moment?
Sure, why not?
All right, let's sit and relax for a bit.
Good idea.
Well, that was a really nice day.
Yes, I enjoyed the coffee and the walk. That's true.
Now it's time for us to go. Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed our little cafe story.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye. How was the story? I hope this conversation helped you practice your English listening. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What dessert did they order at the cafe? Did you find the answer? If you found the answer, please write it in the comments section. Even a short sentence in English is great practice and can help you improve your English faster. On this channel, we share slow and easy English conversations about everyday life to help you build confidence in listening and speaking. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support helps us create more English learning stories for you. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!